All right, boys and girls, the Hennessey Super Venom Mustang is officially here. It packs 850 horsepower. Let's get into it because this is a wild pony. All right, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Remember, if you guys are rocking with the content, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers, and I cannot do it without you guys. So what is going on, boys and girls? The Hennessey, the famous Mustang tuner Hennessey, has dropped the Super Venom Mustang, and it says it strikes like a cobra. Probably, if it has a lot of venom, it does pack 850 horsepower. So if you want to consider 850 horsepower the Venom, yes. Now, the price tag for this vehicle is pretty hefty. We're going to get into it because this vehicle is pretty wild. So let's get into the article. Car Scoop here says Hennessey has introduced a new Mustang known as the Super Venom. It features a supercharged 5.0 liter V8 for 850 horsepower, 650 of torque. The car also comes with a bunch of carbon fiber body kits, bits here and there. The interior is amazing. We're going to get into all of it. And it says the Mustang tuner wars are heating up as Hennessey has unveiled their new Super Venom, and it follows on the hot heels of the Shelby GT350 and sports even more power. So starting under the hood, the forged 5.0 liter Coyote V8 has been equipped with upgraded fuel injector, a new engine management system, a high performance supercharger, and Hennessey has also thrown in a high flow air induction system and a new fuel pump. Now you're getting a lot when I mentioned to you the price range for this vehicle, or the MSRP price, because it does come with warranty. Remember that it comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, I believe. Don't quote me too much, but I know it is 3 years, and I believe it is 36,000 miles. But when you see the price tag, you're going to be well comfortable that you get a lot for the bang for your buck. So thanks to the changes, that bumped up the vehicle to 850 horsepower and 650 feet-pound of torque. Now, this enables the Super Venom to accelerate from 0 to 60 in 3.2. It runs a quarter mile in 10.9. at 133 miles per hour. So that's an improvement of 0.5 seconds, 1.1 seconds, and 14.6 miles per hour compared to the stock Dark Horse with an automatic transmission. So it says, featuring the Venom Aero carbon fiber kit, it includes front splitter, a hood vent, functional front fender louvers. They're joined by sporty side skirts, a new rear deck lip with integrated spoiler, a fixed rear wing. The company says the changes deliver improved handling and grip when the car is being driven hard on the road or on the track. I believe what they did here was more a track-oriented vehicle than an actual drag racer, even though it does the numbers very well. So other highlights include carbon fiber mirror caps, a lightweight 20-inch wheels. The model also sports the Hennessey badging everywhere, even on the seats, as well as 3 livery package, which are available in black, silver, and red. Now, before we get into the interior talk, let's look at some pictures here, and let's look at the interior actually. So the first picture we're going to look at is this seat here, where we can see that Hennessey is engraved right here on the back of the, I would say, the part where the head is, because there's no headrest. It's just a full-on bucket. Still got your 2 holes there to throw the 4-point harness through it. You do see the badging of Hennessey pretty much everywhere. We can see it here. How we can see it says Hennessey Super Venom with the carbon fiber on it. Now we have a great picture here doing a big burnout, and that's just godly. In this picture, if we get a zoom in, I'm going to zoom it in here. We can see the front splitter in the bottom, which is the lip. We're going to see the fenders, how you see the fender. I believe they call it lavur. I might have been murdering that name, but we can see there. Now, if we look at the back, we see that in the trunk, it says Hennessey. It is a carbon fiber trunk, and we see the 91. It says like L91 there on the back wing. It also says Super Venom on the side of the vehicle. This vehicle is pretty badass. I mean, 850 horsepower. If we look at the hood here, on top of the hood, we see a big decal that says 91. I believe it says 91. We see more carbon fiber in the front. The car is just overall great. Now, the interior changes are more modest, but the Super Venom has leather and Alcantara seats with embossed on the backrest, which says the Hennessey. They're joined by floor mats as well as individual numbered dash plaques. So you don't get much of an upgrade. You do get some custom seats with the Hennessey name on it. You get a little custom plaque, and then you get some mats. Now, the Super Venom can be based on the Mustang GT or the Dark Horse, and customers can choose between a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. Production will be limited to 91 units, hence why the decal on top of the hood. And the pricing, this is the moment that I've been waiting to tell you. The pricing starts at $149,000, 950 bucks for the GT, and $163,000, 950 bucks for the Dark Horse, including the stock Mustang. Now, for that price, you're getting 850 horsepower, a quarter mile in 10.9 seconds, a 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. You get a bunch of carbon fiber bits. You could either do automatic transmission, you could do a 6-speed transmission. It is pretty great, to be honest. I think for that price, and it includes the vehicle, that's not bad at all. I mean, taking in consideration how much the Mustang GTD is going to cost, but then again, the GTD is a very, very sought after super limited vehicle. You're still going to be able to play with the big boys. It still has 150 horsepower supercharged. Now we're going to look at a picture here of the engine, and it just looks amazing. I love the Coyote 5.0 engine. This looks just great. I love how you see the supercharged there. Even the pipe says supercharged, the 2 intakes on the side. I love this engine and this engine bay. And with that, you got a lot more room for power. We have a full picture here of the interior. As you can see, it's very simple. Still says Hennessey on the dash. You get the custom seats, and you're just going to get the plaque, which I think is great. To be honest, I'm a big manual guy. I love my 6-speed, but if I had the money to buy this vehicle, I would most likely buy it automatic. But anyways, Hennessey is here with the Super Venom. It strikes like a Cobra, 850 horsepower. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I love this vehicle. I'm a big fan of Mustang and what they're doing. I think now with the V8, Challenger gone, the Charger dead, I think the one that's standing on top of the hill right now that's still going full throttle, I believe is still the Ford Mustang. We can't forget about the Corvette, because the Corvette is the Mac Daddy of them all. But I believe when you step down a notch in the category, I believe the Mustang is the one that's doing it all right now. And I believe it's the one that's the king of the hill. Anyways, if you guys are rocking with the content, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe, boys and girls. There's a lot of you who are not subscribed to the channel. There's a huge percentage of you who watch the videos and don't subscribe and kind of just swipe. If you guys want to do me a favor, I am on the road to 20,000 subscribers. We got a lot of fun things coming up this year. We got a new daily coming. We got a new project coming, maybe 2. And those are a lot of things that are going to be kicked up in this channel pretty soon. I'll see you guys on the next one. Your boy is out of here.